In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage activity status on LinkedIn. If you want more control over who can see when you're active on LinkedIn, this is a simple setting worth knowing. Your activity status affects whether other people can tell when you're currently online or recently active. So adjusting it can be helpful if you want more privacy or if you prefer to be more visible and available for networking. The good news is that LinkedIn makes this setting easy to find, and any changes you make are saved automatically. To get started, go to your LinkedIn homepage and look at the top of the screen. Click your profile picture, which is listed under the Me icon. This opens a menu with account-related options. From that menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to the area where LinkedIn groups together your account preferences, privacy controls, and visibility settings. If you don't usually explore this section, it's a good place to know because many important account options are located here. Once you're in Settings and Privacy, look to the left sidebar and click Visibility. This section is where you control how other people experience your profile and activity across LinkedIn. It includes settings related to what others can see about you, so this is the right place to manage your active status. Next, under the section called Visibility of your LinkedIn activity, click Manage Active Status. This opens the specific setting that controls who can see whether you're active on the platform. Now choose the audience you want to grant visibility to. You'll typically see three options here. The first is Your Connections Only, which means only people you're connected with on LinkedIn can see your active status. The second is All LinkedIn Members, which makes your activity status visible more broadly across the platform. The third option is No One, which gives you the most privacy by preventing others from seeing when you're active. Choose the option that best fits how you use LinkedIn. If you're networking often and want to appear available, a more visible setting may make sense. If you prefer a quieter experience or want to browse without signaling that you're online, selecting No One may be the better choice. After you make your selection, there's nothing else you need to do because your changes save automatically. That means once you click the option you want, the new setting takes effect right away. And that's how to manage activity status on LinkedIn.